also may be forced to take things are against me. Same promise that many people are in touch with me. IPAC people are in touch with me. Vasco basically was a Congress seat. So BJP party must also think of it. I also may be forced to take things are against me. Was a request to the party.
Entire team, we will be with Carlos Almeida.
Utpal Parikar decision gela. He may have to take harsh decisions. Board में decision gela कि तेरी call. I am requesting CM through the media.
Whichever ticket he is sitting on, we as councillors,
Not a BJP seat. He is to give 35% seat to minority again.
he would need to take a harsh decision if the need arises. So obviously, it's very clear he is contesting the upcoming elections in 2022. Whichever ticket he is sitting on, we as councillors, all of us, and it's the entire team, we will be with Carlos Almeida sincerely together, all of us, for the 2022 elections.
What about some councillors are already affiliated with the party?
For us, Carlos, if we have won our election, we'll be very clear as councillors, all of us. Carlos has played a big role in our victory for some of us in our previous 2015 term and now in this present election of the councillors. And we are grateful to him. But it is our duty to be with him now, and we'll be with him.
Shubhani was on the minorities. Minority. Second was on council. Third was on development. And minorities, one issue was there. 2012 Parikar Bhavan seat for minorities. That time we got 21 seats plus the BJP in Goa. Second time in 2017, Patte Parikar gave a lot of seats to minorities. Again we formed the government but with less seats. आता पत्ते दा कांग्रेस MLA joined the BJP. 8 minorities. So my request now at present we have आता 35% MLAs minority in the BJP. So my request to the party is to give 35% seat to minority again. So minority will come on board with the BJP. This is one point. Second, council. As हमको धनपाल हमको join झाला. So we have become much more stable. I have become more stable. This was message for everybody, but the council is with me. Thirdly, on development part, Vasco is getting stepmother treatment. I have said again and again. As of today, we have so many councillors backing me. Secondly, many candidates have joined us. We were there. We had on September 8th tarikh party. Many have joined us candidates. So that is my strength.
So don't you think that with such a good performance for council election, there is no chance for the party to deny you a ticket? So what is the reason for the basic press conference today?
See, Vasco basically was a Congress seat, not a BJP seat. We have kept it as BJP seat. So BJP party must also think of it.
A lot of people are confused.
So I have आता सांगले media. Utpal Parikar decision gela. He may have to take harsh decisions. I also may be forced to take harsh decisions. Things are against me.
But do you admit that people are in touch? But do you admit that some people are in touch with Daji Santo?
See, everybody is touching everybody. That way, even many people are in touch with me. IPAC people are in touch with me. That way, many people are in touch with everybody.